So, we're here on job. Looks normal. Very nice house. Very beautiful house. Everything top notch. Nice carpet, nice pad, nice front. Everything nice. Should be perfect, right? Yeah, okay, whatever. Well, here we go. We're cutting out the wall. Open this up. Geez. You know, take out the wall. Geez, drywall doesn't look too bad. You know, not an issue. Not an issue at all. No big deal. Alright? So, we take the hammer and pull this open, and what is in the wall? All kinds of good stuff. See, we got trash left over from the builder. We got drywall screws, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 dead mice right there in the wall. Yep, and this is just the first little bit of wall that we've opened. Would that be, what do they call that? Category 3? I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Category 3. So, why do we use HEPA vacuums? Why do we use air scrubbers? Do we know what's behind the wall? No. So we have to prepare for it. So we have containment already up. We're already using HEPA vacuums. We're already using air scrubbers. Thank you very much for watching Clay King AAA Flood Drying. We service all of Massachusetts, New Hampshire, and Vermont. 978-392-1895.